Hi, our first chord that we will play is called E minor. For this, we only need 2 fingers of the left hand, and it is relatively easy to play, and you will master it after a short time. For our E minor chord, we must place our fingers in the 2nd fret. You just follow me. Very good. Our index finger of the left hand goes on the 2nd string in the 2nd fret. Got it? Let's do it again together. Our index finger goes to the 2nd string. 1, 2, into the 2nd fret. Great. We've got half of E minor. Now we need our middle finger. And the middle finger goes directly under the index finger on the 3rd string, also in the 2nd fret. Let's try it again. The middle finger, 3rd string, 2nd fret. Very good. Now it should look like this for you. All other fingers don't touch a string. They can rest. Great. We take it away again. Let's try together once more. Index finger, 2nd string, 2nd fret. And middle finger directly under the index finger. 3rd string, also 2nd fret. Very good. Now we take the thumb of our right hand and play this chord. We need to press index and middle fingers down on the fretboard. It might hurt a bit or sting a little now, but don't worry. The more and more often you play the guitar, the less you will have this feeling that it somehow stings or hurts. So, we take the thumb of the right hand and play all the strings from the very low string to the very high string one after the other. I'll demonstrate this. That's how it should sound. Let's try it together again. Great, once more, and a 4th time, and very good. Let's try it again. Our E minor chord, our first chord. Index finger, do you remember? 2nd string, 2nd fret, and middle finger. 3rd string. Exactly. Also 2nd fret. Use the thumb of the right hand on the low, thick E string, and let's play together. And very good. That was already our first chord. Not hard at all. Keep trying to play it and strum down repeatedly with the right hand in rhythm.